Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to restore. First, charge the iPhone above 50% and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Sign in with the exact Apple ID used to create the backup so Icloud can locate it. Once prompted, tap Restore from Icloud Backup and pick the most recent backup by date and device name. You do this now because the restore must run during initial setup. It cannot fully restore apps and settings after you skip this step. Once the restore starts, keep the iPhone on and connected to Wi-Fi. Downloads happen in the background, but initial setup needs to remain active. You should plug into power if the backup is large so transfers don't pause. As apps reinstall, you'll see progress and can toggle location, Siri, and Apple Pay choices. Make deliberate choices because these affect privacy and which services resume immediately. If two-factor prompts appear, enter codes from your other devices to complete authentication. Finish the final steps by confirming iCloud syncing for photos, messages, and key app data in settings. Make sure your iOS is up to date in settings right arrow general right arrow software update because mismatched versions can block some data. Once everything appears, re-enable Face ID or Touch ID and verify mail and calendar accounts. If syncing stalls, try signing out and back into iCloud or restart the phone. That refresh often resolves authentication or network hangups, so the restore can complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.